Hi guys, so today I have to kind of go over my hair and tone it because as you can see it's kind of like orangey brassy, and so I thought I'd show you how I tone my hair. I've only done this once before, so you know, I mean, I'm not a hairstylist or I'm not certified, so there's my little disclaimer. Do this at your own expense, but I thought I'd show you what I do and, you know, what works for me. So what I'm going to do is change out of my clothes and kind of put on something that I don't care that gets dirty, and then I'll be right back. So hold on, give me a minute. So I'm just combing my hair out, and then I'm going to go ahead and put like a garbage bag over my sink here so I don't stain that. You do want to use, like, if you're gonna, because I'm gonna part my hair, so you want to kind of use a hair clip that you don't really care that will get like stained or dirty. So I'm gonna part my hair in half here. Can you see that? Okay. You see, like, it's so orangey. Okay, now I'm gonna mix this. It's a 10 volume cream. It's from Salon Care. I got it from, I was gonna say Stassi's. I got it from Sally's. And then I'm gonna grab the other stuff that I have to get. Okay, I grabbed everything I needed. So I have a bowl here and like a brush so I could mix everything in there. So like I said, you need the 10 volume cream stabilized formula from Salon Care. I'll put the details down in the description box below so you can just click a link and get it. And then what I mix is this color charm from Wella. Can you see that? And this one is 6A dark ash blonde. So I mixed this, like half of this, with half of the 050 Wella color charm cooling violet. It's a permanent liquid hair color. So I mixed that. So again, I'll put these two down below. Right now I have like about half of each. I have a little bit more of the cooling violet, so I guess last time I put a little bit more of the dark ash 6A. So I'm gonna finish this entire bottle. I'll show you. Okay. I have no idea if you're gonna get people to see this, but looks like that. Oh, it has a strong smell. Then I'm not going to use the entire bottle of this because this is like, I literally have 3/4 left. So, oh god, this smell is so strong. It's like making my eyes water. I literally have 1/4 left. So use that for next time. Then this, basically from what I understand, is this helps just deposit everything in your hair, but doesn't like really change the color of your natural hair. It only changes like where the bleached area is. I don't know, don't quote me on that. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just showing you what I do. I'm gonna do like that much. I'm sure if somebody's watching and they're like a hairstylist, they're probably like, no, but nobody's here to tell me no right now, so I'm gonna do what I need to do. Okay, I'm just gonna mix this up. It should be enough like quantity for all of my hair. Okay, now that you got your goop together, I'm gonna bring my hair to the front and let's see. Use my brush to kind of like basically paint my hair. I think I'm gonna have to do this in another layer here because my hair's thick. So I want to make sure like every strand is, you know, covered. Okay, so that's better to work with. Honestly, it's probably so much easier just to like wear gloves and do this, but see, I'm like massaging it in. See, I'm like massaging it in. It's so it could evenly like spread throughout. If you do this and you have a better way, let me know. Last time I did this, it was right after, like not right after, but like a month after I had gotten highlights done. So my hair was so rough. So I don't know if it was because of this or if it was because like it was damaged from the bleach when I got my highlights done. So I don't know. This is also an experiment I'm doing. I want to know, like, I want to see if it was the toner that like made it rough and dry and brittle, or the bleach. And I'm pretty sure it was the bleach. So again, I'm just like depositing as much as I can with the brush. Then I'll go in with my like fingers and kind of do this, like massage it in so it's equally distributed. I think I'm gonna run out of product. Okay, that was like perfect amount. Okay, I'm gonna tie it up and clean up. Check, did I get everything? Okay, I'm gonna tie it up and clean my space up, and then I think I'm gonna leave it for like 20 minutes. Or until like I'm done cleaning this area, and then I'm gonna go hop in the shower, wash my hair. I use the Wella shampoo, and then I normally use their conditioner, but last time, like I said, like my hair got really rough and dry, so I'm gonna use this as my conditioner, like a leave-in mask, and then, you know, but I'm gonna normally wash my hair with the Wella shampoo and then use this as the conditioner. So I'm gonna do all that, and I'll be back and I'll show you the results. So hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I dry my hair in like a t-shirt because that's just the way I like it. So I don't know how it looks, so let's take it out together and look. I have to comb it out and blow dry, but I think it looks less orangey. It looks so dark on camera, but not bad. Let me turn it around and show you. Looks good. Alright, so I'm gonna blow dry my hair and show you how it looks after. Maybe we could see the real color after. So let me blow dry and come back. Okay, bye. Okay, so I let it air dry, and so I think it kind of worked. It's not as orange as it was before, I want to say. So look. Right? Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go style it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. And if you try this, then, you know, like I said earlier, this is only my second time, so, you know, do your own research. But until next time, bye!